Welcome back, all you beautiful bulletproof handymen and women. So today we're going to go over how to tag clients specifically so that you can use those tags for your mass email marketing targeting within the Jobber platform under their marketing tab. I'm also going to show you, just generally speaking, how to go access and edit those clients as well. But we're going to focus on how to tag them because you're going to need to be able to do that for your mass email marketing in the future. So we're starting out on the home page here, as we always do, and we want to go see our clients first. So let's come over here to the left and click on clients. This is going to give us a list of all the clients that we already have. And now we'll just go ahead and pick one at random. How about 𝗙𝗙𝗎𝗎𝗔𝗡𝗃 Nancy? So this is 𝗙𝗙𝗎𝗎𝗔𝗡𝗃 Nancy's page. This is all the information we have saved over her. It has all of her properties. You can look at all of her requests, quotes, jobs, invoices, active work, schedule, billing history, latest communications, and right here is the tags. And then finally up on top is all this client info. So if we want to add a new tag to 𝗙𝗙𝗎𝗎𝗔𝗡𝗃 Nancy, we click on tag, and then we're going to give it a name. And I'm going to come up with a fake one here that's going to work for marketing, and that's going to be Christmas lights. Let's type that in. So we've got Christmas lights added because let's say Nancy actually hired us to do her Christmas lights last year. So this year, right around maybe October timeframe, we're going to want to send out a mass email to everybody who's hired us to put up or take down their Christmas lights before. That way we can send out a mass email marketing campaign just to those clients that are tagged Christmas lights, and then we can offer them the same thing this year, and we can do it early before somebody else gets to them. So we've got the tag Christmas lights. We click the add button, and boom, 𝗙𝗙𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗃 Nancy is now tagged with Christmas lights. And you can add as many of those as you want to add here. So we've got the tagging out of the way. Now I also just want you to see how to edit 𝗙𝗙𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗃 Nancy's account. And you can do that by coming over here and clicking edit. And this is going to be all the information you originally used. You can create more custom fields. You can change your custom fields. Whatever you need to do to 𝗙𝗙𝗎𝗎𝗎𝗃 Nancy, you can do in here. Click that back button. We're back into her account, and I also want you to see that over here under this tab, more actions, you can create things for her like invoices, jobs, quotes, requests. You can collect payments, add tasks, add calendar events. Calendar events are going to be like meetings and stuff that are not an actual job. You can add properties. You can archive her. So if you're not going to be working for her anymore and you don't want her popping up in all of your drop downs over and over again, but you also don't want to delete her history, you can archive her here. And you can also, by the way, send a login email for her client hub, or you can log in to her client hub and view it from her perspective as the client. That's about everything we need to go over in here. I just wanted you to mostly see how to get her tagged. And as another reminder, I do have free webinars for how to do all kinds of things in Jobber. There's a link in the description of this video and of all my videos to sign up for those free webinars. And if you need a free trial of Jobber, you can go into the description and you can click on the link in the description to get a free trial that's going to be 14 days long. And it's going to also come with 20% off for the first 6 months. So with all that being said, I love you guys. I hope you're out there killing it, and I'll see you on the next one.